Did you know that yoga is thousands of years old? This ancient practice has its roots in the Indus Valley civilization, dating back to 3000 BCE. Over the millennia, it has evolved and adapted, but its core principles remain the same. It's true. This practice has been around for centuries, helping people find balance, strength, and peace. From the ancient sages who meditated in the Himalayas to modern practitioners in bustling cities, yoga has been a constant source of inner harmony. And the best part? It's not just for yogis in fancy pants. You don't need expensive gear or a perfect setting to practice yoga. All you need is a little space, some comfortable clothing, and an open mind. Yoga is for everyone, no matter your age, body type, or experience level. Whether you're a child, a senior, or somewhere in between, yoga offers something for everyone. It's a practice that can be modified to suit your needs and abilities. It's about connecting with yourself, your breath, your body, and your mind. Through mindful movement and conscious breathing, yoga helps you tune into your inner self, fostering a deeper sense of awareness and presence. In our busy, modern world, yoga offers a sanctuary of calm and a path to feeling amazing from the inside out. Amidst the hustle and bustle of daily life, yoga provides a moment of stillness, a chance to recharge and rejuvenate. So, unroll your mat, take a deep breath, and let's explore the incredible benefits of welcoming yoga into your life every single day. From improving flexibility and strength to reducing stress and anxiety, the benefits of yoga are vast and varied. Embrace this ancient wisdom and discover the modern magic of yoga for yourself. Let's be honest, we've all had those mornings when reaching for our toes feels like an Olympic sport. That's where yoga comes in. Regular practice helps you loosen up those tight spots and improve your flexibility. Think of it like giving your body a loving stretch from head to toe. With each session, you'll notice your range of motion increasing. You'll be able to move with more ease and grace, whether you're picking something up off the floor or dancing the night away. Yoga isn't just about touching your toes, it's a fantastic way to build strength too. Holding those poses, even the ones that seem simple, works your muscles in ways you might not expect. You'll build core strength for better posture, stronger arms for carrying groceries, and toned legs for climbing stairs with ease. And the best part? You're not just building physical strength, you're also cultivating mental resilience. Yoga teaches you to persevere through challenges both on and off the mat. It's like a workout for your body and mind. In today's world, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Stress seems to lurk around every corner. But here's the good news. Yoga can be your secret weapon against stress. The combination of deep breathing, mindful movement, and relaxation techniques helps quiet the mind and melt away tension. Imagine this. You're feeling stressed, so you roll out your mat and flow through some gentle poses. Your breath becomes a calming anchor, and your worries start to fade away. That's the power of yoga. Section 5. Science says Namaste. Research on yoga's benefits. Don't just take my word for it. Science backs up the amazing benefits of yoga. Studies show that regular practice can lower blood pressure, reduce anxiety and depression symptoms, and even improve sleep quality. Researchers are constantly discovering new ways that yoga can enhance our well-being. So, next time you step on your mat, remember that you're not just doing a workout. You're engaging in a practice that's been scientifically proven to improve your life. Section 6. Finding your flow. Making yoga a daily habit. Okay, so you're ready to make yoga a part of your everyday life. That's fantastic. Yoga can bring so many benefits to your physical and mental well-being. But how do you actually make it a lasting habit? Great, but how do you actually make it stick? The journey to making yoga a daily habit starts with setting realistic expectations and being patient with yourself. The key is to start small and be kind to yourself. You don't need to dive into hour-long sessions right away. Begin with short, manageable sessions that fit into your schedule. Don't pressure yourself to do an hour-long class every day right away. It's perfectly okay to start with just 10 minutes. Even a brief period of mindful movement can have a significant impact on your day. Even just 10 minutes of mindful movement can make a difference. These small sessions can help you build a foundation and gradually increase your practice time as you become more comfortable. Find a time that works for you, whether it's first thing in the morning, during your lunch break, or before bed, and stick to it as much as possible. Consistency is key to forming any new habit. You can even set a reminder on your phone. Setting a daily reminder can help you stay on track and ensure that you don't forget to take time for your practice. The more consistent you are, the more natural it will become. Over time, yoga will become an integral part of your daily routine, something you look forward to and enjoy. Another helpful tip is to keep a yoga journal. Documenting your progress, how you feel after each session, and any goals you have can be incredibly motivating. It allows you to see how far you've come and keeps you focused on your journey. Consider joining a yoga community, either in person or online. Being part of a group can provide support, encouragement, and accountability. Plus, it's a great way to connect with others who share your interest in yoga. Don't be afraid to explore different styles of yoga and find what resonates with you. Whether it's Hatha, Vinyasa, or Yin Yoga, there's a style out there that will suit your needs and preferences. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small. Each step forward is progress, and acknowledging your achievements can boost your motivation and commitment to your practice. Remember, yoga is not just about the physical practice, it's also about finding inner peace and balance. Take time to relax and meditate after your sessions to fully reap the benefits of your practice. By integrating yoga into your daily life, you'll find yourself feeling more balanced, centered, and at peace. It's a journey worth embarking on, and with patience and dedication, you'll make yoga a lasting and fulfilling part of your everyday routine. See Section 7. Beyond the mat, yoga's impact on daily life. Yoga is more than just something you do on a mat. It's a lifestyle. The principles of yoga, like mindfulness, gratitude, and self-compassion, can extend to every aspect of your life. You might notice yourself becoming more patient with loved ones, more present in your interactions, and more accepting of yourself. The best part? You don't need any special equipment or fancy clothes to practice yoga off the mat. It's all about bringing awareness to your thoughts, actions, and interactions throughout the day. Section 8. Yoga for everyone. Adaptability and modifications. One of the most beautiful things about yoga is that it's truly for everyone. No matter your age, body type, or fitness level, there's a style of yoga out there for you. And if you're dealing with injuries or limitations, don't worry. There are always modifications you can make to practice safely and comfortably. Remember, yoga is a journey, not a destination. It's about listening to your body and honoring its needs. Section 9. Listen to your body, practicing safely. Speaking of listening to your body, it's super important to practice yoga safely. Remember, this is your journey, and there's no need to push yourself beyond your limits. Pay attention to any pain or discomfort, and don't hesitate to back off or modify a pose if needed. If you're new to yoga, it's a great idea to start with a beginner's class or find a qualified instructor who can guide you. They can help you learn the poses correctly and prevent injuries. Section 10. Roll out your mat and begin your journey. This is where it all starts, the beginning of a transformative experience that can change your life in ways you never imagined. So, there you have it. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, or in this case, a single stretch. We've explored the incredible benefits of making yoga a part of your daily routine. Imagine starting your day with a sense of calm and focus, or ending it with a feeling of relaxation and accomplishment. From increased flexibility and strength to reduced stress and improved mental well-being, yoga offers a holistic approach to health. It's not just about the physical postures, it's about connecting your mind, body, and spirit. Yoga is a gift you can give yourself every single day. And the best part? It's a gift that keeps on giving. With each session, you build a stronger, more resilient version of yourself. You don't need any fancy equipment or special skills to get started. Just a mat, some comfortable clothes, and a quiet space where you can focus on your practice. All you need is a mat, an open mind, and a willingness to listen to your body. Each pose is an opportunity to learn more about yourself, to push your limits, and to find your inner peace. And a willingness to listen to your body. Yoga teaches you to be present, to be mindful of each breath, each movement. It's a practice that extends beyond the mat, influencing how you live your daily life. Are you ready to experience the transformative power of yoga? To feel the energy flow through your body, to find balance and harmony in your life? I'll be here, on the mat, waiting for you. Namaste. Remember, the journey of yoga is a personal one, and it's never too late to start. So roll out your mat and begin your journey today.